Hi. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use AI in Dramatify to outline, create, and improve multi-camera rundown scripts for your live and studio productions. We'll start with a quick look at how Dramatify protects your intellectual property, then move on to setting up your project to succeed with AI, creating rundown outlines, adding cast and speakers, generating and refining content, and finally, automatically setting durations. To skip ahead, use the chapter markers in the video timeline below. Dramatify's AI services are powered by ChatGPT, but securely run through Microsoft Azure. That means your data stays private, and nothing you send to the AI is ever used to train new models or return answers to other users. If your organization requires additional security, we can integrate your own dedicated Azure AI partition. Simply contact Dramatify Sales. Before the AI can start working, it needs to know a few basics about your production. You can create a new project from the top navigation menu or from the end of your project list in the sidebar. Fill in the required details, then complete the section that gives the AI its creative starting point. By default, English is selected, but you can generate content in 58 other languages. If your project is already underway, click Project in the sidebar menu, then Edit, and fill in the project description and audience information. This information is key to getting great results from the AI. Think of the automatic outline as a starting point, saving you time, but it's not a final draft. To outline a rundown, the AI needs to read a synopsis. From the sidebar, click Script or Scripts and Episodes. If you're working on a feature or a single episode, you can skip ahead to the next step in the video timeline. For a series, you'll need to add episode synopses, unless you've already generated them with Dramatify's concept developer. Click Add Episode, enter a title, paste, or type the synopsis, and save. If episodes already exist, you can edit them to add synopses. To add a new rundown, click Add Multicam Script or Rundown. When landing on the settings page, take a few moments to adjust to your preferred format before saving. In the rundown view, click AI Assistance. This button only appears if your rundown doesn't have any scenes or segments yet, so if you've added some, you'll need to delete them first. In the pop-up, add or refine the basic information before proceeding to the outline details, such as locations, the finished duration, and whether the show has breaks. Then, click Generate Rundown Outline. Once it's ready, review the structure. Note that exact timing is difficult for the AI, and you can adjust order, durations, sources, and synopsis after saving. Click Create Outline, or Try Again. Before generating script content, it's a good idea to add your key cast or speakers so they can be included and assigned correctly. Go to Cast and Characters, click Add Cast Member, and either select someone from previous productions or create a new profile. If casting isn't final, you can use placeholder roles for now and replace them with names later. Now back to the rundown. To create new content, open the Script tab, then click Open Script for editing. Next to the scene header, click Generate Script. If you're comfortable crafting your own AI prompts, type them in. Otherwise, click I need assistance. In the About the Show section, review the details and make any necessary changes to provide the AI with the best starting point. You only need to do this once per rundown. Then define the scene's purpose. Choose who's speaking by clicking in the input field to get the cast list, set the length, and add topics, special elements, or a tone of voice. The more detail you give, the better the AI can tailor the script. Preview the result, save it if you like it, try again for an alternative, or adjust your prompt for a different approach. You can improve or refine any rundown content, whether generated by AI or written manually, in three main ways. To improve a sentence or paragraph, simply highlight the text, click AI Assistant in the pop-up editor, choose your command, and the changes will save automatically. To improve a shot, click the wand icon beside it, then use quick commands or the tweak panel to adjust style, tone, structure, mood, and humor. You can also ask the AI to estimate spoken duration to help with timing. Click Suggest to see a preview and save when you are satisfied. To improve an entire scene or segment, choose Improve Script Text for All Shots from the menu next to the scene header. It works just like the Shot Improver, with one key difference. If you check the Estimate Spoken Duration box underneath the Tweak section, you can save the duration to the rundown by checking the Save Duration box to the left of the Save button before saving. Every account starts with 100 free AI credits. Your current balance and the cost of each request are always displayed. When you run out, go to Billing under your company name, select a package, and pay with a credit card. You'll need an active subscription to top up AI credits. If you're on an educational or complimentary license, please contact sales. To get the best results, make sure you've set the correct language, audience, and show details before generating. For rundown outlines, add a project description for features or episode synopses for series. And remember to keep your AI credits topped up so you can keep working without interruption. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. We offer a free trial at Dramatify.com. Like, subscribe, and follow for more. See you next time.